Opening at the existing Hurston site in 1867, the then-named Brisbane Hospital recorded its first major medical research discovery of international significance in 1878, when Dr. Joseph Bancroft discovered the worm responsible for a serious tropical disease, which was untreatable at the time. Since then, the hospital has gained a reputation as a hub of clinical research in Queensland. The RBWH Foundation is the only charity linked to what we all know now as the Royal Brisbane and Women's Hospital, Queensland's largest hospital and the largest teaching hospital in the Southern Hemisphere. The foundation specifically supports the clinical research undertaken at the hospital, which impacts on treatment outcomes for men, women and babies every day. What is clinical research? Clinical research is patient-oriented research. It is research conducted with human subjects in order to answer specific health questions. It is the action end of the long process of discovery, development and implementation, where real outcomes affect real patients. The aim of clinical research is to discover the causes of human diseases, to find the treatments that work in people and to uncover new ways to improve health. It also endeavours to determine how diseases can be prevented in the first place. The Foundation provides ongoing support to 5 key research centres at the hospital. The Perinatal Research Centre focuses on preterm labour and birth and how to improve the quality of life for both mother and baby. It conducts biomedical research into premature and seriously ill babies and develops preventative treatments and intensive care advances that benefit all babies born throughout Australia and the world. The Burns Trauma and Critical Care Research Centre is an Australian first, combining the medical expertise of burns, intensive care and trauma units to enable improved treatment conditions and methods and ultimately provide patients with a better chance of survival. To do this, the centre focuses on a number of key areas, namely resuscitation, infection control and improving skin coverage methods and techniques. The Betty Byrne Henderson Women's Health Research Centre concentrates on research to benefit women's health as they enter the menopause stage and beyond. The aim is to protect Australian women against suffering an unnecessary diminished quality of life in their latter years. The Centre for Clinical Nursing was established to support the advancement of nursing through education and research. The research projects undertaken at the centre cover many different aspects of patient care to help improve treatments, reduce discomfort and improve the overall hospital environment.
To carry out nursing research, it's very important that we collect good quality data, that we collect data in the right sequence, over the right time frame, and this requires us to employ staff. It's not possible anymore to do research without funding. We need funding to employ data collection, we need funding to purchase equipment, we need funding to ensure that we have sufficient infrastructure to conduct research.
The Clinical Research Centre has several individual laboratories operating: the Gastroenterology Research Laboratory, the Endocrinology Research Laboratory, the Inflammatory Bowel Disease Research Group, and the Kidney Research Laboratory. Over the last 40 years, we've also raised money to support new and emerging clinical research projects at the RBWH, covering a broad range of life-threatening diseases, medical conditions and methods of patient care, including heart disease, vascular disease, liver disease, motor neurone disease, mental health including Alzheimer's disease, numerous cancers including prostate and the early detection of lung cancer, multidisciplinary aged and acute care, and nutrition. By supporting the RBWH Foundation, you are making an investment into the health and well-being of Queenslanders. Clinical research at the RBWH saves the lives of men, women and babies, and the next life it saves could be yours.